Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do manual product research for your Amazon FBA business. But before it start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly coaching calls. And it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other sellers. So with that said, here's the video for today. And you start doing your manual product research by opening up a listing of a product that you've sold in the past. So for example, this one is an apricot product, right? So again, you open up the Amazon product page and then go to your seller amp and then go to the bottom of the listing right there. Go to offers. And then once you go to offers, I would pick not a product, but a seller with 100 or less ratings. And we're picking a seller with 100 or less ratings because these sellers are most likely doing online arbitrage or retail arbitrage, which is the same model that we're doing. If you pick a seller with a very high ratings, right? Like this guy is probably doing wholesale. We're not doing wholesale, so we're not going to be searching for products from people who are doing wholesale. So hope that makes sense. So yeah, I'm going to pick a seller with 100 or less ratings. So this one has 10. That's perfect. So I would go inside the seller store. Yeah, this is more of my categories. I like general merchandise products. So yeah. So I would start with this one right there. Okay. I think I found it though right there. Nintendo Switch from Best Buy, $20. So, all right. So I like to narrow down my search on. So I'm sorry, I didn't explain that. So you click the Amazon product page, right? So pick the listing, click the Amazon product page, and then click your Google shopping page right there. Open them up side by side like this. And then I like to take the maximum cost of this product. And then I would use this maximum cost to narrow down my search on Google Shopping. That way I don't look at so many products. I'm going to narrow it down as much as possible. So I would go to price. Then here I would go type 1831, which is the maximum cost, right? Apply it. And then I even narrow this down even more by picking the brand, right? Which is Nintendo Switch. So brand is Nintendo. What on earth happened here? Yeah, I think for this one, let me just clear it because I can't. Let's see. Yeah, it was here. Interesting. Okay, so never mind. So for this instance, the product is right there, right in front of me. So there's no reason to narrow it down. So I would check this out. Oh, I know what happened. Okay, never mind. So yeah, so this is the product. It's taking forever to load. So it's $19.99, right, on Best Buy? It's giving me a low ROI. Okay. So for this product, it's giving me a low ROI. It's only giving me a 9% ROI. So I would look at the other sellers. Yeah, well, it's the same product. It's not the best product out there because of the ROI, but we found the exact same product, right? Based on the other seller store. So this one is a game, a Nintendo Switch game. Right there, Cruise and Blast is the name of the product. It's right there. So we found the exact same product, which is the purpose of the video. Right? The problem is the ROI for this one is on the low side. This product is also tanking in price. So it's not necessarily a good buy as of today. But hey, we found a product from the other seller store, right? So again, we're gonna just go back to the seller store. He seems to know what he's doing, so I would just keep going through his products. I mean, he has a ton. So okay, yeah. For this one, Among Us. I found it right there. Oh no, it's overpriced. So 27.48. Maximum cost 27.48. So 27.48. Oh, 27.48. Apply. No, I don't see it. So I can play around with the price too. So 27.48. Yeah, it's not gonna work. So next product. I'll just keep it moving. So maximum cost for this one is yeah, this one's not gonna work because I can already see it here. So Amazon is selling this product at $663. So this one's gonna be a skip. I'm skipping this because yeah, Amazon is selling this product at $663. If you look at the Keepa chart, they're dropping the price really low. So I'm gonna stay away from this listing. I also want to avoid products with a maximum cost of less than $10 because it doesn't give me any margin. So to save on time, I'm going to skip those products. So this one I'm going to skip because the brand is known to file IP complaints. So this software here is called IP Alert. If you guys don't have one, use one because it's going to protect you from possible IP complaints. So I'm going to keep going with this seller. We're on a streak, so just keep going. Let's see if we can find it. I don't think we can though. Yeah, but yeah, guys, hope you guys got value from the video. And again, I showed you guys how to do manual product research by doing the strategy called Storefront Stalking. So again, you start with a listing of a product that you've sold in the past, and then go to Seller Amp, go to sellers, or I'm sorry, offers. Pick a seller with 100 or less ratings because if they have 100 or less ratings, they're most likely doing online arbitrage. And then once you find a seller with 100 or less ratings, open up the storefront and then stock, or not stock, but do a reverse search on all their products, right? And again, hope you guys got value from the video. And if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to post the link in my description below. And that way you guys can join my free calls every week and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.